We're in a gearless Westinghouse relay logic motor room. While it's running. That was a quick stop. Now, this is where the magic happens. Wrong selector, just kidding. Do not slam it. It's in here. This is where the magic happens. I have never seen a selector like this before. Here we go. Come on, do your thing. These things are going crazy. It's like a curse. Whatever I point the camera at stops moving. Come on. I have no clue what any of this shit does. Like, normally in a motor room, I know most of what's going on, but I'm looking at this controller right now. I can't tell you shit. I really can't. Fucking weird. I don't know what those do. I really don't know what this selector does. That's the motor for the selector. that. I'm gonna just leave it. Anyway, let's hope it moves. This looks like it was from way before the original Westinghouse, or the old Westinghouse. Can we see a date on here? Does it say a date? No, I don't see a date on here. Sadly. Do any of these have a date? No. No, they don't. Westinghouse Synchro Live. Maybe that's what that thing is called? Who even knows? Anyway. Damn. These are really something, huh? I don't think that one's running. I really don't. No, it's not. Look at the generator. Answering my own questions here. Now, if I knew... Oh, all calls. Can we place one? Oh, I don't know what any of these are. I'm not going to place a call. I don't know what these relays are. They're not labeled like regular 1, 2, U, or whatever. There's a vacuum tube. Anyway, I think that'll be it. Actually, just for shits and giggles, I'm going to look around the back of the controller just so you can see it. Here's some parts. Just random stuff, nothing very interesting. Here's the back. I don't know what those are. Anyway, that will be it.